Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. Today's video is going to be a lifesaver for those of you who ever accidentally deleted files from your SD card. Whether it's photos, documents, or videos, we have got you covered. And guess what? This video's sponsor is TenorShare 4D DIG Data Recovery, the best data recovery software. So let's dive right in. So first take your SD card and insert the SD card into your card reader and insert the card reader into your PC or laptop, and then just go to this website and then make sure to check the description for a link to download TenorShare 4D DIG data recovery software. So after coming to this website, here you can see, so you can try their software for free, and if you find it helpful then you can buy their software by clicking this buy now link. So this is their pricing. So they have 1 month license, 1 year license, and also lifetime license. If you find their software helpful after trying it out, then you can buy their software. I have already installed their software. Here you can see this is their software. So I am opening this software. Okay, and also I have plugged my SD card here. So here you can see this is my SD card. These are the datas available on my SD card, and also I have like some data deleted from my SD card, and we will see that if this software can recover our deleted files, photos or not. And also if your SD card is completely formatted, don't worry, try this software out and check that if this software can recover your files or not. And also another pro tip is, if you have formatted your SD card by mistake, or if your data was deleted by mistake and you want to recover your data, then do not your SD card, because the more you use your SD card, the less chance you have to recover the data. Because over time when you use your SD card, there are high chance that the deleted data will be replaced with newer data. So stop using right away when you have accidentally deleted your SD card. So this is the pro tip. Alright, so here is our software. In their software you can also see under advanced recovery you have like accurately find file option. You can also recover files from crash computer. Also under file repair you can see they have repair unopenable photos or repair unplayable videos, so you can do this as well. And also you can connect to NAS from their software. So this is a pretty advanced software, I would say. So here you can see this is my local drive and this is my external drive, my SD card. So my SD card is 32 GB and here you can see it is FAT32. So if you want to like recover data from your SD card, then just hover your mouse over this external drive and then click on scan. So here they are saying what type of file do you want to recover. So here you can see they can recover photo, video, document, audio and other types of file. So mainly we want to now recover some photos that we have deleted earlier. So I am like here selecting only photos, and then we will click on scan photo only. So here let's click on scan photo only. And also let me show you that I don't have any file available in my recycle bin as well. So if they can recover some data that are not available on my SD card, then this would be really great. So here you can see they are saying fast scan is done, finding more lost data with deep scan. So first they will do a quick scan. So they are saying that the quick scan is done, and the deep scan might take a while, like for some hours, depending on how much storage you have and how much data you have on your SD card. So here let's see that what they have recovered so far. So here you can see like some folders here are showing deleted files. So these are the files that was deleted from our SD card, and here you can see this is the folder of file name not found. When they are recovering, there are like certain types of file that the software cannot find the name, but these files will be in this folder. And then there are some text file and there are like photos. So let's click on deleted files now. So here you can see there is a photos folder under deleted file. So here you can see we can also see a quick preview here of our photos. So if we just click on this image name, then here you can see some quick preview is showing. So if you like want to recover any of these files, let's say for example we want to recover this file, so just select your image. So you can also select all these images, or you can select like particular which image you want to recover. And after selecting you can see the size here, you can see the type here, and you can see also the modification date. You can also like here filter it out. So now we want to like for example we want to recover some files here. Let's say these photos we want to recover. Okay, let's say we want to recover these two photos. So we have selected these two photos and now we will click on recover. And now here you need to select your path. So I would highly suggest you to don't restore the file partition where you lost your data. So try to recover the data in a different partition. You are using an SD card, then try to recover the data in your PC or vice versa. So let's say we want to recover it to a different partition. So here we are selecting our local disk D and then click on new folder. Let's name it to like recovered files. And now we will just click on recover, and here you can see they are saying, do you want to repair corrupted files while recovering? This will take more time to recover. You can repair it after recovery. So we will, like for example, now click on recover only, and if it is corrupted then we can also repair it. So now we will click on view recovered. So here you can see they have already created a folder here, deleted files, photos, and these are the two photos that we have like recovered. So the photo resolution was originally low. This is why you can see the quality is low, because I have taken this photo with a VGA camera. So you can guess the quality obviously. So but they have actually recovered it with all of this original data and everything. So I can proudly say that yes, this software worked for me, and you can also use this software to recover the deleted files from your SD card as well. The software link will be also available in the description below. You can also try it out for free, and they have also a Mac version. So this is not only available for Windows, they have also a Mac version. If you want, you can also use it for Mac as well. You can see they can also, like these are like some file types. These are some storage. You can use it on PC, laptop, or hard drive, external disk, SSD, even for digital camera, SD card, USB drive, or drone. And they have some more advanced features as well. So you can also create like bootable drive, repair corrupted video, or for NAS recovery. So here you can see with their free trial you can use these features, and with their pro version you can use all of these features. You can like more accurately search, and also like you can recover unlimited deleted files. With the free version you cannot get this unlimited deleted file. And also you can recover data from crashed PC, from formatted system. You can also recover data from encrypted drive, NAS data recovery. You can also repair corrupted images or videos, and also they have some remote consultation and assistant available for the pro users. And here are some payment method and everything. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can recover your deleted files from SD card. You can recover photos, videos, or other types of file using this software. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also let me know that in the comment section below that if you have any question or any suggestion for me, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from TechMash, and I am signing out.